What I feel is our products are more Indian audience related. We have space constraints. A lot of big cities have high rentals.
Yes.
People are loving the new equipment. They are flocking in to try new equipment. We have our brand ambassadors on board who've been training on this equipment. So
Good evening, everyone. My name is Atul, and I'm in conversation with Mr. Vishal Gupta. He's the founder and a force behind brand Viva Fitness. He is also the senior director at Soccer International Private Limited, a brand which is well known in the sports industry. Thank you very much, Vishalji,
thank you so much for having
for
me
taking
here.
out your time because you are a busy man.
Oh well,
Catch you in one hell of a task.
I know. I'm sorry. I kept you
That's
waiting
okay.
also.
That's okay.
These 3 days are crazy every year for me at ISFF.
Correct.
And it's getting bigger and bigger for us now.
So we are at IHFF, and Viva Fitness is a brand which participates in this event year on year,
Yeah.
and they are very active. They have been promoting this particular event and been actively participating. So, if you permit me, Vishalji, can I ask you a few questions?
Yeah.
Okay, my first question to you is: one trend in the fitness equipment industry you are most excited about, or something that has truly caught your attention?
See, the fastest changing trend in our industry is, I'll give you an example. I started going to a gym when I was 20. I was very passionate about health and fitness.
Okay.
But today, when my son, he's 18 now, when he was 12 years old, he started to go to the gym. And it's not only about my son or anybody else's daughter.
I think the whole
The
generation,
kids, the generation today, they are starting to go to gym at an early age of 12, 13, 14. So the awareness is there. Awareness to look good, awareness to look better, awareness to look fit. तो आप देखो कि आपने जो 5-6 साल एडवांस में जिम जाना शुरू हो गया, so that kind of mad population which is crazy about fitness, they are getting associated, they are getting aware about health and fitness.
Okay.
So that keeps me driving.
And also,
And fitness goes hand in hand with sports.
Absolutely.
Even if you are a professional golfer or a shooter, you need to train your shoulders in the gym.
Correct.
So you have to go to a gym, irrespective you're doing a physical sport or you're not doing a physical sport.
Sure.
So, back social media, kids are watching their idols in India or in Asia or in Europe or in the US on Instagram. They're following it. So it's been bringing a lot of positive change, I see.
Correct.
But I still feel there's a long way to go. There have been data in the market that only 1 or 2% of Indian population is going to gyms today.
Okay.
Whereas in Europe and US is 25-30%. Even in a country like China, which is again slightly ahead of India, but almost 15-20% people are going to gym there. So India में आप सोचो कि already इतने gyms हैं,
जी.
but अभी केवल 1-2% population gym जा रही. ये 2 से जब 5 होएगा, so imagine the demand,
The scale.
the way it will go up.
And so,
Yeah.
so you are in the right place at the right time, I would
We
say.
are at the right place now. Well, it's been 20 years. In fact, the company is 50 years old. We started a sports journey, sports equipment business 50 years ago. Fitness ko 20 साल हो गए हमें. We are always trying to bring in some unique products.
My second question to you is: we see a whole lot of national and international brands here at IHFF this year. What do you think makes Viva Fitness stand out in the Indian and global market?
Our R&D, amount of effort we put in developing the product. And what I feel is our products are more Indian audience related. We have space constraints. A lot of big cities have high rentals.
Yes.
Gym spaces are small. So we are trying to bring in machines with a smaller footprint
Sure.
so that maximum muscles are covered in a small area of 3,500 square feet also.
Perfect.
So it's all about R&D, engineering and technology.
Correct.
And we have a whole team of experts who are guiding us to develop products which are more suitable for our market.
Sure. My third question to you is: what is Viva Fitness showcasing in this year IHFF?
We are showcasing a lot of plate loading equipment. You understand gym equipment, so there are two categories of strength equipment. One is the pin loaded, where the weight stack is already in the machine,
Right.
and one is the plate loaded, which are free equipment with the free weights.
Correct.
There's a tremendous trend getting popular towards the plate loaded equipment because it has more robust kind of experience, the gymming experience. तो वो पुरानी कहावतें थी, लोहा उठाने वाली फील आती है उसके अंदर
जी.
हालांकि इट्स ऑल engineered product but फील थोड़ी रफ वाली आती है. So free weight plate loaded equipment is more in, and we have launched 3 new series at this show.
You have been showcasing your products at IHFF for the past few years.
Yeah.
Do you think the audience has evolved over the years, and how?
Audience has?
Evolved over the years, and how?
Yeah, audience has evolved, as I said, because they watch all these American idols or European idols working on these plate loaded equipment. So they have evolved from pin loaded to plate loaded. So we are going with the trend. We are at least 1 year ahead of our competitors in India.
Okay.
What we are doing now, they'll be doing it next year. That's for sure. That I'll tell you. But they have no choice. They'll have to follow. But that's okay. We'll always be the leader.
That's good to hear.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we see that your stall has been pulling quite a crowd.
Yeah.
The last 2 days that we've seen.
Yeah.
And how has the response been from the visitors?
Response is phenomenal. People are loving the new equipment. They are flocking in to try new equipment. We have our brand ambassadors on board who've been training on this equipment. So the kids are coming, they want to train on same equipment.
Right.
And हमने ओपन किया हुआ है, जिसने आना है ट्रेन करे यहाँ पे आके. कोई घंटा लगा रहा है, कोई आधा घंटा लगा रहा है, कोई जा ही नहीं दे सकता सुबह से लेकर शाम तक. Because they're loving the equipment. They want to try everything.
So
it's like a Disneyland for
these
athletes.
fitness athletes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So आप Disneyland में 20 rides हैं. So as a kid, if you remember, when we used to go to Appu Ghar or Disneyland, we wanted to do every ride. So they want to do everything.
How we do? Wonderful. You have announced some new additions this year.
Yeah.
And what are the new launches and partnerships this year that Viva Fitness has done? And how do you think these partnerships will impact you and the Indian market? You were talking about the brands that you
Yes, we have added to one American brand called Body Solid. So they do some high-end home gyms and gyms which are more suitable for corporates and all. So, and there's another German brand called Gym 80. They are hardcore bodybuilding. So we'll introduce 2 brands. And I feel market is moving toward acceptability for those brands. They are expensive than the usual ones which we carry. But Indian consumers are getting more matured and investing also in good quality equipment.
Are they also at different price points?
They are at different price points, yes.
Okay.
Some products are higher than what we carry on Tulturi range. Some are higher on Viva Fitness range also.
So it means that you are giving access or providing access to every person and every pocket that a customer or a gym owner wants.
Yes, we have equipment that we can do a gym at 10-15 lakh rupees also.
Okay.
And we are doing gyms for 2 crores also now. Very soon we are coming up with a huge gym in Gurgaon. We're selling equipment worth almost 1.5 crores, 2 crores. So, brilliant.
How was the idea of Viva Fitness conceived? And what is the story behind it? So that is what.
See, we were already into sporting goods business.
Correct.
So, it's a natural reason tha. But I remember about 20 years ago, I wanted to buy a treadmill for my home. Bought one, wasn't happy, tried to find a substitute. It was a challenge, to be very honest. कभी ये खराब हो जाना, कभी ये महंगा. ये तो काम ही बहुत अच्छा है. अगर थोड़ा सा आप टेक्निकली इन्वॉल्व हो जाओ, अच्छा प्रोडक्ट डेवलप कर लो, तो मार्केट इज गोइंग टू ग्रो लाइक एनीथिंग, बट प्रोडक्ट अच्छा होना चाहिए. People should not have experience which I had, a bad one. So we started hunting for vendors for good quality. क्योंकि मार्केट हमारे को बेचने के लिए दिक्कत नहीं थी, because I already had my sports dealers.
Correct.
So the sales partners were there.
Okay.
So we started from there. For my own self need, made me get into this business. Yeah.
Wonderful. Challenges that you faced as you evolved the business, and how did you overcome them? And what would you advise the new generation of business owners who are facing similar challenges? Because people believe that you are a thought leader in this industry.
See, you need to have passion first. You just can't do a business kind of thing out of these products. You really need to be very passionate about what you do. When you fall in love with your work, the growth is beyond your expectation. So,
Passion is
very, very important. When we are developing new product, we really get very, very involved, and right from the engineering part, उसकी colors कैसे होंगे, branding कैसे होगा, हर चीज में detailing में जाते हैं. अभी भी like कि अभी आज नया born baby. Okay. So what I feel is we can't do anything half-heartedly. Right. So, and once you put your heart soul into it, selling becomes very easy. And believe me, I think from last 2-3 years, I haven't sold anything myself. मैं कभी जिम बेचने नहीं गया आज तक.
It's all me referral and your.
No, not referral. I put my whole energy in developing a good product at a good price. Sales अपने आप हो जाता है. मैं जिम बेचने नहीं जाता. अब I've stopped doing it because I feel if the product is good, it's nicely priced, it's good for the Indian market. Branding में तो हम invest कर रहे हैं. मेरा जो business में major input है, it's the product development and marketing, not sales. Sales are happening naturally. We have team; they're doing wonderfully well. And to be honest, it's now easy to sell Viva compared to any other brand here.
I think all those years of hard work, passion has paid off eventually.
But it's a continuous challenge every time.
India is going global from local.
Yeah.
And we see the same happening with
Yeah.
consumer trends.
Yeah.
What global fitness trend do you think India needs to, or is already
I think
adopting more
we
aggressively?
are at par with global. In fact, we are going global.
5 years ago, we started selling to Nepal. We're doing one big club in Nepal every month.
Okay.
We're doing business in Bahrain now. We are starting in Dubai too now. We're doing a huge housing society there with 175 towers in Dubai. So we are already global. India doesn't lack anything which global has now.
Sure.
We're already doing in Burma. We're already doing in Mauritius. तो अभी तो यहाँ से निकल में अब और कब बढ़ रहे हैं. अब लोग खुद आ रहे हैं. I have never been to Dubai selling my equipment or to Bahrain selling equipment. People are coming to us. They have heard Viva somewhere, so now they want the product. So we are already global.
Yeah. Innovation is what we hear in every field now.
Yeah.
Fitness industry, no doubt, is going through the same
Yeah.
innovative journey.
Yeah.
How do you balance innovation with consumer needs in the niche industry like fitness?
How do I balance? You have to go with the requirement of a buyer today. एक तो पहले youth आ गई.
Right.
They are so tech savvy.
Okay.
So we are bringing in an app in next 6 months for our cardio equipment, which will be compatible. You go on that app, you can have your own community. It will be called Viva Community, wherein you are running on a Viva treadmill. You will find out कि इस time पे मेरे area में ये एक और भाग रहा है. If he's your friend, you can ask him or send him a request कि आजा competition करें. Yeah. So these kind of interactive things makes your workout more comfortable. Like आप भाग रहे हो treadmill में, but आपको you enjoy doing your workout. So AI in this format for a younger generation. Secondly, I said okay, let's say gym spaces are small, so we're trying to develop machines with small footprints. So that the gym can have all machines to cover all muscle groups. These are few things which we are working at.
One question regarding your the whole supply chain that you have.
Yeah.
Your dealers and distributors have benefited from your marketing and sales approach,
It's vice versa.
backed by your years of experience in the fitness industry. The
No, I have
initial-
learned a lot from my distributors. Some of my distributors are
In this business before I started doing this.
Okay.
Yeah. So they liked me, I liked them. So it's a marriage. They left their old supply chain and connected with me, and now we are growing together. I don't want to take all that credit. It's my distributors and the new young team which you see here today. We have a team of almost 30-40 people here for my retail operation and all. वो मेरा नहीं ख्याल उनको कोई चाय कॉफी का भी टाइम मिल रहा है सुबह से लेके
I
शाम
see them.
तक.
They are
They're
constantly
working
on the
very
job.
hard. Yeah. मैं बैकड्रॉप पे सिर्फ कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहा हूँ and I am enjoying that.
Great. Do you have a message for all those Now this is a different question
Yeah.
for a different set of age group. Do you have a message for all those above 60 plus years
Yeah.
of age? Why is it important for them to go to a gym and work out?
Oh, life has just begun.
I'm 52 myself. I got married when I was 26. I was 66 kgs then. I went to 72 kgs. But even after 26 years of marriage, I am back to 66 now.
Okay.
I am working out every day. In fact, most of my friends back in Jalandhar, they all very fit now. And when I go out, I look at yourself. So I think life begins after 50 or something, where you can sit back and relax and spend time on your own health.
I think most of the Indians don't do that, but I think now slowly
It's a need of an
catching up.
hour.
Yeah.
You have access to good quality workout equipment, gyms, technology. तो नहीं यूज करी तो क्या है? It's pretty cheap now. 2000 में जिम की मेंबरशिप मिल जाती है तो 2000 में अगर आपने अपने हेल्थ पे नहीं लगाया तो क्या लगा?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And that is a age group which has also had disposable income.
Absolutely, they have disposable income.
Correct.
You make new friends
Yes.
at an age of 50 or 60. You go out, आपको नई बड़े पावर लोहा उठाना, सिंपल लाइट वेट एक्सरसाइज करो, कम्युनिटी बिल्ड हो रही है, 4 दोस्त बन रहे हैं आपके और आधा पौना घंटा वर्कआउट किया, 10 मिनट गप्पे मारी, आपकी लाइफ तो और 10 साल बढ़ जानी है।
बिल्कुल।
इट्स वेरी सिंपल, मतलब इसमें मैसेज भी नहीं है, ये सब कॉमन सेंस है।
And Vishalji, last but not the least,
Yeah.
how do you keep yourself busy and active?
Well,
I know you are a very busy man when it comes
Yeah,
to business, but apart from that, how is
my work
life
keeps me
otherwise?
busy. To spend at least 1.5 hours with myself in the evening. So whenever you have to call me and tell you मुझे शाम को 7 से 8:30 बजे. That's me, my time where if I have to do something or discuss something more creative or which I don't do the whole day.
Sure.
Anything creative, anything, तो उसके लिए free mind चाहिए. उस टाइम पे मैं ट्रेडमिल पे या वॉक कर रहा होता हूँ या साइकिल कर रहा होता हूँ या जिम में कर रहा होता हूँ. वो मैं अकेला होता हूँ, तब मेरे पास इतने abundance of ideas आ रहे होते हैं. So that is the time I want to talk to people from whom I can also learn because I don't understand so many things. You know, technologies have evolved, but I keep my eyes open to learn. आप बताओ मेरे. I communicate with my kids in these because उनका नजरिया लाइफ को बहुत different है.
बिल्कुल.
I like to hang out with lot of young cousins जो मेरे cousins के आगे बच्चे हैं, उनके साथ hang out. तो बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, बहुत कुछ देखने को मिलता है. And that keeps me busy.
Thank you once again, Vishal,
Most
for
welcome.
your time.
Yeah.
And everyone, we were in conversation with Mr. Vishal Gupta, the founder of Viva Fitness. I'm sure this conversation would have, made you much more educated when it comes to the fitness industry. And coming from Mr. Vishal Gupta, who is actually one of the leaders in this industry.
There's a lot to learn. I won't
You're
call
being
myself a leader.
you're being very humble guy, Vishal.
लीडर कर दिया ना तो बंदा कहता यार मैंने इतना अचीव कर लिया.
हाँ, बस
अब रिलैक्स. Life should be, challenging and exciting. So that keeps you on move.
wonderful. Thank you once again, Vishal.
Most welcome.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.